positive integral solutions. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. Find the number of positive integral solutions for the following. Now, see here, 3 questions. Hopefully, 4th question you will solve it orally. ABC equivalent to 80. Positive integral solutions. Now, method 1. Enumeration method. Just by enumerating the values of ABC, you will get it. Now, see, 1, 1, 18. 1 into 1 into 18 is 18. These 3 numbers can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial. There are 2 ones are there, 2 identical, 3. What are these 3 numbers? 1, 1, 18, 1, 18, 1, 18, 1, 1. Similarly, 1, 2, 9. These 3 numbers can be arranged among themselves in 3 factorial, 6 ways. Next one, 2, 3, 3. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial, 3. Next one, 2, 3, 6, 1, 3. 3 numbers can be arranged in 3 factorial, 6. Right? So total how many numbers are there? 18. There are no more cases. See what are the factors of 18? 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. All the factors we have got. So no other cases, 18. But for 18, number of factors are limited. So I got these 4 cases. Right? Suppose instead of 18, if it is 180, 1000, 2000, 10,000, this process becomes difficult. So therefore, this process is not the best method or the optimal method. This process is not the optimal method. Method 2. Method 2. Listen carefully. ABC equivalent to 18. Can I write 18 as 3 square into 2 power 1? First, I will distribute 3 square onto ABC. This can take 3 power 0, 3 power 0, 3 power 2. 3 square can be distributed on ABC. One of the ways is like this. 119, 119. Or it can also be distributed like this. Or it can also be distributed like this. Like this, there are so many ways. Are you all with me? Now, instead of working with ABC, the powers of ABC, can they take 0? The powers of ABC, they are taking zeros, right?
Yes.
And what is the sum of the powers? Sum of the powers is always equivalent to 2 in this case. So, I will call let the powers of ABC be XYZ. Be XYZ. First case, can I say that the sum of the powers should be equivalent to 2? First case. Can the powers take 0? Yes. Powers can take 0. So yesterday we have seen. So what will be the answer? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. 2 plus 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5. 5 will be 4 CP. Next one. What is the next thing that we have to distribute? X plus y plus z equivalent to 1. X greater than or equivalent to 0. Y 0. Z 0. So what will be the answer? Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 will be 3 CP. 6 into 3. 80. First write down this. That means the idea in this question is number of positive integral solutions for the variables is equivalent to number of non-negative integral solutions for the powers of the variables. That is what I did. Please write down. First method we should not use because that requires a lot of enumeration method. ABC equivalent to 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 1. ABC equivalent to. Now directly we will tell the answers. Let the powers of ABC be XYZ equivalent to either 4, R2 or 5. All these powers can also take 0. So this will be plus 3. Yes or no? 4 plus 3, 7. 7 will give you 6C2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 will give you 4C2. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 will give you 7C2. Now tell me this answer. ABCD equivalent to 144. 144 is 2 power 4 into 3 square. So powers of ABCD I call it as XYZW equivalent to 4 R2. So this is plus 4 plus 4. 8 R6. 8 will be 7C3. 6 will be 5C3. 1 minute. ABC equivalent to K. K is a factor of 100. K is a factor of 100. Can I say this is nothing but any factor of 100 can be represented as 100 by D. D is a natural number. Or in other words, it is nothing but ABCD equivalent to 100. If ABC is 1, yesterday we discussed the similar problem, A plus B plus C less than 12. Whatever deficit is there, we introduced a dummy variable and we made equivalent. If ABC is 1, D value will be 100. If ABC is 2, D value will be 50. If ABC is 4, D value will be 25. Right? So since any factor of 100 is 2. So what will be the answer for this question? 100 will be 2 square into 5 square. How many variables are there? 4 variables. X plus Y plus Z plus dual is either 2 or 2. 6. 6 will be 5C3 into 5C3. Clear? Is 2 power 4 into 3 square. First I am distributing 2 power 4 onto 4 variables. One of the case could be like this. So the powers of ABC, can they take 0? Yes. That is why x greater than 0, y greater than 0, z greater than 0, w greater than 0. And sum of all this is equivalent to 4. Sum of all this is equivalent to 4. Integral solutions for the following. Again see here, 4 problems. First one, ABC equivalent to 18. ABC equivalent to 18. Now, case 1, values. Just now we have seen values. ABC equivalent to 18. 18 is 3 square into 2 power 1. 3 square into 2 power 1. So ABC powers, if I take x, y, z, x plus y plus z equivalent to either 2 or 1. So x will be 0, y will be 0, z will be 0. So these plus 3 plus 3. 5 or 4. 5 will be 4C2, 4 will be 3C2. 18. 18 are the values. But the question is integral solutions. Negative can also take. So positive into positive into positive. Positive, positive, positive. Answer will be positive. Negative, negative, positive. Negative into negative also positive. There are total 3 signs. 3 signs can arrange among themselves in 3 factorial. 2 negatives are there. They can arrange among themselves in 2 factorial. 3. So there is 1 by 4. So how many signs are there total? 4. 18 into 4. 18 into 4 is 72. When you say integral solutions, you can also take signs. When you say positive integral solution, signs are not required. One more question. ABCD equivalent to 360. What is 360? 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Case 1. Case 1. Values. Case 1 values. Values will be, if the powers of A, B, C, D are x, y, z, w, x plus y plus z plus w is first either 3, r2, r1. So x greater than or equivalent to 0, y 0, z 0, w 0. Total it will be plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. It will be 7 or 6 or 5. 7 will be 6c3, 5c3, 4c3. Next, how many variables are there? 4 variables. So take the signs. Plus into plus into plus into plus. Answer is 1. Negative, 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 negative. Answer is also positive. Negative, negative, positive, positive. 4 signs are there. They can arrange among themselves in 4 factorial. 2 negatives, 2 positives. 6. Total is 8. Answer is 6c3 into 5c3 into 4c3 into 8. I hope you understood the difference between a positive integral solution and an integral solution. In an integral solution, signs also should be considered. In positive integral solution, signs may not be considered. Innovative way to find the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. Innovative way to find the sum of n terms in arithmetic progression. First, concepts. Average of n terms in arithmetic progression. N terms in arithmetic progression. It is nothing but first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. It is also the middle value. It is also the middle value. Average of n terms in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term by 2. Average and arithmetic mean both are synonyms. Average and arithmetic mean both are synonyms. First term plus last term by 2. Suppose, for example, if I take the series 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, average will become first term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 13 by 2, which is nothing but 7. 7 is nothing but the middle term. Middle value will become middle term. Middle value will become middle term. If the number of terms are odd. If the number of terms are odd, then middle value will become the middle term. Suppose, if I take the number of terms to be even, average will be first term plus last term by 2, 17 by 2, 8.5. 8.5 is 3 terms to the left, 3 terms to the right. Middle value, is it the middle term? No. So, middle value will not be present in the, will not be middle term, will not be middle term if the number of terms are even. If the number of terms are even. Right? No. Second point. Tn is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is given by n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This we will not use it, just for our understanding. A is the first term, A is the first term, and D is the common difference. D is the common difference. First write down these 2 key points. Average of n terms in arithmetic progression is always given by first term plus last term by 2. Average of n terms in arithmetic progression is first term plus last term by 2, which is nothing but the middle value. Middle value will become middle term if the number of terms are odd. Middle value will not be the middle term if the number of terms are even. Problems. First one. What is the average for 101, 103, 105 and so on up to 170, this series. 101, 103, 105 and so on up to 173. Now this series is in arithmetic progression. This series is in arithmetic progression. If the series is in arithmetic progression, average is given by first term plus last term by 2. 101 plus 173 by 2. 137. First one, very easy. What is the average for 101, 103, 173? Answer will be 137. Find the sum of 25 terms. Find the sum of 25 terms for the series 63, 55, 47, 39 and so on. Find the sum of 25 terms for the series. Listen carefully here. Question is sum of 25 terms. 25 terms will be T1, T2, T3, T12, T13, T14, T15 till T24. Sum of 25 terms. 12 terms to the left, 12 terms to the right. Are you all with me? So what will be the middle value? T13 will be the middle value. Clear? So what is average? Average is also given by sum of the quantities. Average is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Average in this case is nothing but middle value. So can I write T13 equivalent to S25 by 25? Do you agree? Yes. Average is sum of the quantities. Sum of 25 by number of the quantities are 25. T13. What is A value in this case? 63. What is the D value? -8. 55 minus 63. So answer will be 63 plus 12 into -8 into 25 equivalent to S24. 63 minus 96. minus 33 into 24 is S24 minus 824. So we have used the concept sum of 25 terms are there. 25 terms means 12 to the left, 12 to the right. Find the sum of 13 terms for the series. Find the sum of 13 terms for the series 28, 25, 22, 19 and so on. Find the sum of 13 terms. Tell me, 13 terms means 6 to the left, 6 to the right. So, this is nothing but T7 equivalent to S13 by 30. T17, A is 28, D is 25 minus 28 minus 3. So, 28 plus 6 into minus 3 equivalent to S13 by 30. 28 minus 18, 28 minus 18, 10. 10 equivalent to S13 by 13. S13 will become 130. Once you understand, these are all very easy problems. Clear? Next, fourth. How many terms in the sequence? How many terms? How many terms in the sequence? How many terms in the sequence? Minus 56, minus 49, minus 42 and so on will sum up to 0. Will sum up to 0. How many terms in the sequence? Minus 56, minus 49, minus 42 will sum up to 0. Method 1. See here. Sum up to 0. Sum is 0. Average is Sn by n. Sn is 0. So average will also be 0. Average is middle value is 0. Middle value is 0. Middle value a plus n minus 1 into what is the d? D is 7 equivalent to 0. 7n minus 63 equivalent to 0. 7n equivalent to 63. What is n value? 9. That means T9 is 0. What is T9? Middle value. Left hand side how many values will be there? From 1 to 8. Right hand side how many values will be there? From 10 to 17. Left hand side 8, right hand side 8, middle value 9. Total how many terms are there? 17. T9 is 0. Left side 8, right side 8. No, you don't need to solve all this. One logical, if you think logically, you will get the answer. Method 2. Listen carefully. What is the series? Minus 56, minus 49, minus 42. What is this value? 7 into minus 8, 7 into minus 7, 7 into minus 6, and so on up to 7 into minus 1. Next one will be 7 into 0, sum will be 0, 7 into plus 1, 7 into plus 6. It should get cancelled, right? 7 into plus 7, 7 into plus 8. Minus 8 to minus 1, 8, 0, 9, 1 to 8, 8. 8 here, 0. Total how many? 17. Suppose 1. Try to solve this question directly. How many terms in the sequence? How many terms in the sequence? Minus 30, minus 36, minus 30, minus 24, and so on will sum up to 0. 30. Got the clarity? So this will be 6 into minus 6, 6 into minus 5, 6 into minus 1. Sum should be 0. 6 into 0 plus 1 to plus 6. Answer 13. Idea clear? Seventh term in an arithmetic progression is 40. Sum of 13 terms. Sum of 13 terms in arithmetic progression equivalent to how much? Seventh term is 40. Sum of 13 terms. Now see here. 13 terms. 6 terms to the left. 6 terms to the right. 6 to the left, 6 to the right. What is middle value? T7. T7 is middle value. Middle value is nothing but the average. So this is nothing but the average. So average will become, average is Sn by n. So average is 40 equivalent to S13 by 13. 13 40s are 520. Hold on. T13 equivalent to 30. Sum of 25 terms in arithmetic progression equivalent to sum of 25 terms, 12 to the left, 12 to the right, 12 to the left, 12 to the right. What is T13? Middle value. Middle value. Middle value is nothing but the average. So average equivalent to Sn by n. T13 equivalent to S25 by 20. T13 is 30. 30 equivalent to S25 by 20. What is the answer? Hold on. Sum of 9 terms in AP equivalent to 180. T5 equivalent to how much? 9 terms. 4 to the left, 4 to the right. Left, right. So what will be this value? Middle value. So middle value. So this will be average equivalent to Sn by n. So T5 equivalent to S9 by 9. 180 by 9. What will be the answer? 20. Tell me this answer. Yes. 7 equivalent to 2. T4. Sum of 7 terms. 3 to the left, 3 to the right. What is middle value? T4. So T4 is middle value. Middle value is nothing but average. Average equivalent to Sn by n. S7 by 7. 210 by 7. Okay. Progression. Sum of 11 terms in an arithmetic progression equivalent to sum of 19 terms in an arithmetic progression. 19 terms in an arithmetic progression. Sum of 30 terms. Sum of 30 terms in an arithmetic progression is how much? Sum of 30 terms in an arithmetic progression is how much? Listen carefully. Step number 1. Sum of 11 terms in an arithmetic progression. T1, T2, T11. Sum of 19 terms. T12, T13, T14 and so on up to T19. Read the question. Sum of 11 terms in an arithmetic progression. This entire sum of these 11 terms is equivalent to sum of 19 terms in an arithmetic progression. Is equivalent to entire sum of entire these 19 terms. Sum of first 11 terms and sum of next 8 terms will become total sum of 19 terms. But sum of 11 terms is total equivalent to sum of 19 terms. Can I say that sum of last 8 terms will be 0? Do you agree? Because sum of first 11 plus sum of next 8 will become total sum of 19. Sum of last 8 terms is 0. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So last 8 terms is 0. Left side 4, right side 4. What is the middle term? T15.5 is 0. Are you all with me? Middle value is 15.5. 15.5 is 0. How much we require? Sum of 30 terms. 30 terms means 15 terms to the left, 15 terms to the right. What is the middle value? If T15.5 is 0, what will be the sum of 30 terms? 0. Right? Now, the root cause of this problem is the average of the last 8 terms happen to be the average of the 30 terms. That is where you are able to determine. Right? One more question. Sum of 30 terms equivalent to sum of 30 terms equivalent to sum of 40 terms, sum of 70 terms equivalent to. Listen carefully. This is an arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Sum of 30 terms T1, T2 till T30. Sum of 40 terms T31, 32 till T40. Sum of 30 terms equivalent to total sum of 40 terms. That means last 10 terms sum will be 0. Last 10 terms sum is 0. That means there are 5 terms to the left and 5 terms to the right. 37, 38, 39, 40. What will be the middle value? T35.5 is 0. So, how much we require? Sum of 70 terms. Sum 70 means 35 to the left, 35 to the right. What is the middle value? 35.5. T35.5 is 0. What is the sum of 70 terms? It is also 0. That is why in textbooks it is written like this. SA equivalent to SB. SA plus B is 0. S30 is S40. Right? Now just to hold on, try to solve this question orally. Sum of 15 terms equivalent to sum of 25 terms. What is sum of 40 terms? 0. Yes or no? Why 0? Explanation. 15 terms equivalent to 25 terms. Last 10 terms sum is 0. 10 terms means 5 to the left, 5 to the right. 5 to the left is 20 here, right? So 40 terms means 20 to the left, 20 to the right. T20.5 is 0. Tenth one. Sum of 5 terms in an AP is 100. Sum of 7 terms in an AP is 210. Sum of 9 terms in an AP equivalent to how much? Sum of 5 terms in an AP is 100, 7 terms in an AP is 210, 9 terms in an AP. See here, 5 terms in an AP, 2 to the left, 2 to the right. What is the middle value? T3. T3 is 100 by 5, 20. 7 terms in an AP, 3 to the left, 3 to the right, T4. T4 equivalent to 210 by 7, which is 30. Difference between the terms is given by D. 20 is becoming 30 plus 10. 9 terms, 4 to the left, 4 to the right. What is T5? T5. T5 we require. Yes or no? Now see here. T3, T4, difference is D. D is plus 10. T4, T5, difference is also 10. So this will be 40. So average is Sn by n. So it is S9 by 9. S9 equivalent to 40 into 9, 360. Or in other words, directly you can solve. 520s are 100, 730s are 210. 520s are 100, 730s are 210, 940s are 360. Try to solve this question orally. Sum of 7 terms is 280. Sum of 11 terms is 550. Sum of 13 terms is how much? Traditional method, optimal method. 7 terms, 3 to the left, 3 to the right. T4 equivalent to 40. 11 terms, 5 to the left, 5 to the right. T6 equivalent to 50. T4, T6. 2D is nothing but plus 10. 13 terms, 6 to the left, 6 to the right. T7 how much? 2D is plus 10. D will be 5. 55. So answer will be 55 equivalent to S13 by 30. Right? Or otherwise, 740s are 280, 1150s are 550. The difference is 4. 15 terms will probably become 60. 15 will become 60. So 13 will become how much? It is into 55 into 30. Please write down. Five terms, it is 75. Sum of 10 terms, it is 150. Sum of 15 terms, how much? First question. Sum of 25 terms, how much? Now, directly you can say 5 15s are 75, 10 15s are 150, 15 15s are 225, 25 15s are 375. Directly, if you want the mathematical explanation, 5 terms is 75, 2 to the left, 2 to the right, T3 equivalent to 15, 10 terms, 5 to the left, 5 to the right, T5.5 is 15, 2.5D will give 0. 20, 15 terms, 7 terms to the left, 7 terms to the right. What is the middle term? T8. 2.5D is 0. And another 2.5D will be another 0. 15 plus 0 is 15. So S15 will be 15 into 15, 220. 25 terms, 12 to the left, 12 to the right, T13. 2.5D is 0. 5.5 to 13. How much is the increase? 7.5D. 2.5D is 0. 7.5D will also be 0. 0 plus 15, 15. So, how much it will become? Yes, 25 is 25 into 15, 370. Please write. Sum of 9 terms in an AP is 72. Sum of 15 terms in an AP is 150. Sum of 21 terms in an AP is how much? First question. Sum of 15 terms is 150. Sum of 25 terms, it is 200. Sum of n terms is 0. Find n. Find n. Find n. Let us solve it orally. 9 terms, it is 72. 9 8s are 72. 15 tens are. First we will solve this one orally. 15 terms is becoming 150. What is the multiplication factor? 10. 25 terms, it is becoming 200. What is the multiplication factor? 8. Next will be 6. Next will be 4. Next will be 2. Next will be 0. Any number multiplied by 0, it will become 0. So this will become 35 terms. This will become 45 terms. This will become 55 terms. This will become 65 terms. How many terms n is 0? 65. These are logical way of doing. Or if you want the optimal way, another way, 15 terms is 150. 7 terms to the left, 7 terms to the right. T8 is 10. 25 terms is 200. 12 to the left, 12 to the right. T13 is 8. That means 5D has resulted in how much it drop? -2. Sn is 0. If Sn is 0, Tn will also be 0. Tn 0 means what should be the drop? -8. So -8 will be 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. 20D. 20 plus 13. What will be this value? T 33 0. 33 0 means 32 to the left, 32 to the right, total will be 65. Again I am explaining. T8 to T13, 5D will result in drop of -2. Tn should be 0, 8 should become 0. How much should be the drop? -8. 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 13, T33 is 0. T33 0, 32 left, 32 right. 64. Now 13th one, try to say the 13th one answer. 9 terms is 72. 4 to the left, 4 to the right. What is T for? 8. Are you all with me? 15 terms is 150. 7 to the left, 7 to the right. T8 is 10. T5 to T8. 3D is plus 2. Now 21 terms. 21 terms is how much it is? 10 to the left, 10 to the right. What is it? T11. 5 to 8 difference is 3. 8 to 11 difference is also 3. So 3D is plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. So 12, 21s are how much it is? 215. Or otherwise, just now, what is the 9, 15, what is the difference? 6. 15, 21, what is the difference? 6, so same pattern. 9 8s are 72, it is into 8. 15 10s are 150 into 10. Next will be into 12. 21 into 12, 250.